Google's ascent to becoming one of the world's largest companies can be attributed to its highly effective search engine, which excelled in directing users to other websites. In its initial inception, Twitter also served as a straightforward platform for sharing brief updates with your circle of friends, primarily through text messages. However, users soon realized that Twitter's simplicity had broader applications for disseminating information. There was one notable exception to this widespread appreciation of Twitter's utility, though, and that was Elon Musk. Musk openly voiced his grievances about Twitter and other social media platforms as they attempted to tackle issues related to abuse and misinformation. In 2002, he made the bold move to purchase the company itself. One of the earliest signs that Musk had a different vision for Twitter was his decision to scrap the verification system. Users who pay for verification found themselves artificially boosted in the system. As reported by Axios, traffic from X to news sites has seen a significant decline recently. This is partly because users who relied on Twitter to discover interesting news are now less inclined to use the platform, given its diminished effectiveness in that regard. Meanwhile, those who are using X more aren't doing so for news-related purposes. However, for Musk, X offers everything he desires: attention, accolades, flattery, a blend of nonsensical content parroting as news, a community that leans heavily towards right-wing ideologies and financial gain. In his view, what more could one possibly want? Elon Musk is currently facing another legal challenge, this time in connection with his social media platform, X, formerly Twitter. Another Florida-based company, X Social Media, is suing Musk's X Corp for alleged trademark and service mark infringement. The basis for this lawsuit stems from Musk's rebranding of the platform last July, during which he changed the platform's name to simply X. This lawsuit doesn't come as a shock, as trademark attorney Josh Durbin had previously expressed his expectation that Twitter/X would face legal challenges due to the rebrand. Interestingly, Durbin's law firm is now representing the plaintiff in this particular case. X Social Media, the plaintiff in the lawsuit, describes itself as a company providing advertising and social media services to connect law firms and those seeking legal representation since 2016. Despite the notable differences in their logos, the plaintiff argues that it has consistently highlighted the X component of its branding in advertising, blogs, and newsletters showcasing its work. X Social Media also alleges that Musk's company filed multiple trademark applications for services closely related to their own offerings, such as business consulting, information services, promotional services, business data analysis, and business, consumer, and market research. They assert that Musk's company was aware of X Social Media's existence and even received a cease and desist letter from them in August 2023. In response, the plaintiff has requested that the court issue an injunction to prevent X Corp from marketing, offering, selling, or distributing services bearing the mark XC. Additionally, they seek damages equal to 3 times their losses or the defendant's profits. The outcome of this legal dispute will depend on Musk's response and the court's eventual ruling. Defamation suit. Elon Musk is also facing a defamation lawsuit in Texas over allegations that he promoted a conspiracy theory falsely identifying a California man as a federal agent involved in a supposed false flag government operation. The lawsuit has been brought by Ben Brody, a 22-year-old who is accusing Musk of endorsing social media posts that linked an Instagram profile of Brody to a photo of a white supremacist involved in a violent clash with the Proud Boys during a June 24 Pride event in Portland, Oregon. Various internet personalities cited this profile, which identified Brody as a political science major at the University of California, Riverside, who planned to work for the government. They used it to claim that the street brawl was orchestrated by the authorities to discredit right-wing groups. Similar false flag claims have been made about events like the January 6, 2021 Capitol riot and several mass shootings. On June 27, Musk retweeted and commented on a blog post that made these allegations against Brody, stating, "Looks like one is a college student who wants to join the Govt," and suggesting it was a probable false flag situation. Ben Brody, who recently graduated, is seeking damages of at least $1 million in this lawsuit. He is represented by Mark Bankston, a Texas lawyer who previously won a $49 million defamation verdict against right-wing host Alex Jones for claiming that the Sandy Hook school shooting was a hoax and that the grieving parents were actors. Whatever the case is, it seems like Musk can't help himself but to be center of attention in every possible way, whether it suits him or not. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and share for more updated insights.